Okay, so I got a bunch of Dollar Tree things again, except for right now I'm just going to try one at a time and try to go this method. Okay, so they have 2 other things, but listen. It's glass. Like, straight up glass. And it's a toner. And it's like watermelon, so it's kind of like, I don't know. I've never tried that one glow recipe thingamajigger that everyone raves about, but a lot of people are saying that this is a dupe for it, so I'm not sure. I've not tried it, but I love watermelon in general, and the packaging's cute, and when it's done, I can reuse the packaging because it's glass. So let's get into it. So it does say made in China, manufactured, and all that on the back. And then here are the ingredients, and then it has with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid, and then on here it says paraben free and folate free, and then I think that's pretty much all. And then here's a little bit more of like what it has in there. So it you gotta shake it, then it says taking cotton pad or your fingers, but I do cotton pad, and then it has this type of cap on it, and then let's just see, maybe okay, hold on. Okay, so it is a cap, so you just peel it. Oop, okay, and now I have to find that. Anyways, it is cap, and then it releases the hole, and then and then you just drop it on there. Ooh, that's kind of cool that it's like, okay, you might be taking your fingers. I don't know, because it's kind of coming out like a little bit thicker than what I thought it was. So, and then you just, it smells good though. And then you just put it all over your face. I use a toner almost every day, except for it's hold on, it's not watermelon, but it's this. It's Calming Moisture Toner by Heartleaf. So that's what I use almost pretty much every single day. So this is kind of cool that I don't know that I have now a second one that I can try to see the difference in. So I'm gonna actually stop using this one for about a week or so, and then just see if there's any difference in it. So I know that this one has helped. I have fine lines that you can see, and this one's actually helped my fine lines like not be as bad. So I know you're not supposed to put anything under there, but I do because I have the lines, but it's helped a lot, so I don't know. But okay, so it feels nice. I thought, let me just try on my fingers difference, and yeah, it definitely is a bit thicker than my other one. My other one's more of a water base. I've never really tried for a toner to put with my